Look, anyone that's been involved in a refurbishment or restoration project would understand that it's very difficult. There's lots of unknowns. There was a lot of rot in the timber. There was holes all through the roof. There was actually no ceiling in there. A lot of pigeon droppings and mould.
Once all the restorations and renovations are completed, that we're probably looking to open up the site every day.
Firstly started with a massive clean-up job, but we've completely rewired, put new plumbing in, new ceilings, cornice, and so they're basically restored to their original layout.
A lot of work went into obviously the restoration of these cottages, the Cottage 2 and Cottage 3 up here on the site, but restoration of these guys' lives, the people that we sent up here from our work for the DOL program, and obviously the correction guys that also made a big part of this project.
Corrective Services is very excited to be a part of the Nobbys project. It's one that has given us opportunity to enhance the skill base of our offenders. We believe that any kind of enhancement of an offender's skill base will ultimately lead to a reduction in reoffending, which is obviously what our goal is as a department.
We provide up to 30 offenders per week from our local area, and that has amassed over 3,000 hours, work hours since then. Yeah. So the offenders have access to many different tradesmen while they're there, so that can include things like the sanding and the painting, and they learn many different skills while they're there. The offenders actually obtained a white card during this process, so they obtained employability skills, which they can then take back to the community.
They were down in confidence, they were down in experiences. A lot of these people have been unemployed for an extended amount of time, and this was able to get them back into a routine and be able to build that confidence to understand that, look, when I actually put my mind to something, I can do it.
I've been one of the supervisors up here, supervising the job finders. I've put a lot of pride into my work up here because it's such an iconic building for Newcastle. Great experience just watching the way the boys come along in the months they worked up here, all the hard labour they put in and the changes that they went through as well and experienced. So it was great to see them improve their attitude and their work ethics up here towards these cottages.
Haven't modified the appearance of the cottages on the outside. There were things that were rotten on the inside, but there's no heritage protection for the internal of the cottages. But we were very mindful about doing something that was very sympathetic to the heritage.